Alright, so today we're going to work on replacing the fuel pump. There's nothing wrong with this one, but I figured while the bed was off, I would upgrade it. I plan on running a turbo kit, or a big single turbo, so I was doing it all at once. So my plan now is to remove the fuel pump, replace it with I bought a Walbro 450. I think I have to modify the hanger once I get it off, but first thing I did is I rinsed this all off to get all the dirt off, dried it up. Now all I got to do is spin this ring. You release that latch, and then this ring spins, and that's what locks it in. So you'll spin that ring, and then this whole assembly will come out. So I knocked this loose with a screwdriver and a hammer. Now it should just pull up like so. You can slip it out over this, and now this will come out. I think I only have a quarter tank left, but in this truck that's still a lot of gas. Alright, now I'm gonna let this dry off a little bit, then I'll disassemble it, and oh goodness, and see what it takes to get the new fuel pump in there. Alright, this is the old one, got it all taken apart. It had two of these. This one kind of sat in the bucket, and this one was on the outside of this bucket. So this is the new Walbro. I bought it straight from Walbro because I didn't want to have a Chinese one or issues with a knockoff one. So this is supposedly their new design, so it's got like a fat bottom on it. And it wasn't that much more just to buy it directly from them and not risk buying a fake. I think it was 140 is all. Hold on, I got one hand, hold on. Alright, so that's it. So it's about, I mean, it's overall about the same length overall. Not bad. This is the install kit, but from what I've read, because these sizes are different, I think I'm gonna have to drill a hole or make this hole a little bit bigger to get the sock and everything out of. But I'm gonna open this up, see what I got to work with, and maybe set it down in here and see how it goes. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a new tube. It's a lot shorter than that one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make that work or not. But there's the pickup sock. Here are the hose clamps for this. Connectors. Here's the wiring harness for this end. And I think I can splice into this. Or it comes with these, which I think would, I don't even think that'll work. Those are circular, and that's a square. Might just end up cutting it and then splicing these in. I think that's the whole idea behind this. So I'll cut it, splice it, butt connect it, heat shrink it, and then set her in the tank or the bucket. Alright, here's where I'm at. So I got the fuel pump in the right spot where it needs to be. I had to Dremel out the bottom. So I'm going to try and get the insulator on it. I'm going to wire this up, which means I'm going to cut this pigtail off, wire this pigtail in, and and then I'm gonna hook up this end of the fuel pump, get it hose clamped on there, and then get it all compressed down. Once it's all compressed down, I'll then hook the black end of the hose up to that nipple back there and hose clamp it down. But I'm gonna get this all situated, put the sock on the bottom of it before putting this on it, because this kind of locks it in. Hopefully all goes well, we'll see. Okay, I got it all in there. It seems to be fairly secure, not moving around a whole lot. Got the sock on it. But I'm kind of concerned about how short the black hose is, because I'm going to compress this down to make it fit. And that's like maxed out, and it's not even reaching. I can't really lower this any lower. So yeah, that one's way longer. And I'm pretty sure I ruined it, so I can't reuse it because I cut this end. There you go. And then I stretched this end out. So I think that's not an option now. And I don't think I have fuel injection line laying around. Shoot. I was hoping to get this back in tonight. Might have to wait till tomorrow. Close. Real close. Got the hard part done, I think. I think just replacing a, I don't know, 8 to 10 inch piece of line is all that's left, and drop her back in the tank. Well, this is one of those I thought was going to be easy and took forever, but I went to the parts house, O'Reilly's, and they actually hooked me up with a free piece of fuel injection line. So I got it all to fit. I'm going to stick it back in the tank, and hopefully she fires up. Just like that, back in. Moment of truth. Looks like we did it. Well, that's all there is to it, to putting a Walbro in your Chevy truck, getting ready for your turbo build. Stay tuned. I'm going to finish the lowering of the front of this, and she'll be back on the road soon.